My background and experience, I think, prepared me for this job in a way I did not expect. I started in corporate America, and that gave me a great intro into how the attorney mind works, because my job was actually working with attorneys and doing their marketing and all that kind of stuff for them. But I got to see how attorneys treated their clients, how clients felt about their attorneys. And then when I went into the practice of law, I did lots of different areas. I started at the public defender's office, did criminal law. I kind of found out what my passions were by finding out what my passions weren't. So I realized I didn't like criminal law very much. Didn't like real estate law. Family law is just another word for divorce, so that wasn't any fun. When I got to estate planning and probate at the public administrator's office, working for the county and directly being appointed by the Chief Justice of Adams County in Colorado, I got to see all the families and the problems they were going through, and I got to help them through that. And it was then that I really found my passion, really just helping families see the light at the end of the tunnel, putting plans together that kept them out of court, saved them money, kept their families together by stopping fights. It was amazing. So now we have a firm where that's all we do. And we get to say we're the lawyers that don't sue anybody. So having that experience at the public administrator's office was truly amazing. Not a lot of attorneys at all get that experience. There's only a handful of public administrators in each county in Colorado. But that let me see all the plans from lots and lots of attorneys in Colorado. So I got to see what worked and what didn't. And our firm built plans off of that work. Yeah, I have a real problem saying no to people. So lots of volunteer experience. Started on the board of directors for a little organization called Inside the Orchestra, which has since grown to really an international organization that deals with Spotify now. But they give music and arts education back to kids who've had it taken away from them. I'm sure a lot of people are familiar when budgets get cut at schools, the first thing to go is music and arts programs. And we bring that back to those schools. So as president of that organization for a while, I've since stepped back and still obviously help them out, but not on the board anymore. I am currently on the board of our North Glen Thornton Rotary Club. Rotary is an awesome organization, service above self, and everyone in there just volunteers and gives back to the community. I was president of that as well. And then now I'm currently on the board of the ARC of Adams County. So you've probably seen those ARC thrift stores out there. Each county here in Colorado has an arm of that thrift store that gives that money back to the community. So we help individuals with intellectual and developmental disabilities. We advocate for them. We get them the services they need because they're really lacking in services that can be provided for them. There's not a lot of stuff out there to help them, and we try to provide that for them. Very passionate about that. I've also been in different groups with the Bar Association, Rules and Forms Committee, statutory revisions, just trying to stay up to speed on the law and all the changes that are coming through. So that's been helpful too.